Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So you can see how well we can increase our SEO score on YouTube videos. So you can see right now it's 93 out of 100. Now you can see if we want to increase it, what we need to do. I'm using vidIQ Pro, right? So you can see all the keywords that I have used, or all the tags that I've used. Whatever tags are ranking, you can see the ranking number, like Shraddha Pandey for 3, author Shraddha for first, vidIQ boost for 3, vidIQ review for 7, and all, you can see everything here. Now if I want to improve my description part by adding a few keywords, so what we can do is, and just make sure that you are keeping an eye on SEO score. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a few relevant keywords here. Okay, so let's remove this digital marketing and let's add, just keep on checking ranking part also. Let's add vidIQ review. Okay, so we have added vidIQ review and let's convert it into hashtag. So you can see it here. Now we have changed it to a hashtag, and let's add a few more, and let's focus on those that are ranking. Boost, have I added? Okay, I have already added my name. What else we can do? We have already added boost. Okay, so let's look from these vidIQ promo code. Okay, so let's add this too. Okay, so I have added this too. So at first let's check. So I have added finally 15 hashtags. Okay, now you can see it has become 94. It was 93, now it has become 94. So even again I can make it to 98. I won't say 100, I'm not sure, but still I can give it a chance to do it, because you can see, when you can see, like when you look into my performance part, you can see 5 by 5 for text for search terms this video is ranking for. And if I talk about high volume search terms, so you can see 3 by 5, that is 5 में से 3 मैंने already ऐसे टैग्स यूज़ कर चुके हैं जो हाई वॉल्यूम सर्च टर्म्स हैं, राइट. So let's give it one more shot if we can make it. Let's add vidIQ free upgrade, or let's do one thing. If I can delete this, or maybe this, or let's add this. Okay, or let's look for other. Let's add this too, and let's add this. Okay, now it has crossed the limit part. Now let's remove this, or add this. Again the same issue, vidIQ tutorial. Okay, let's add this. Now let's save and see. Okay, so we cannot see any changes here. Now you can see. Okay, so it's now 96. That's truly great. If you are getting 96 SEO score on any of your video by making these small changes, so it's truly a score. You can also achieve for the same. I'm using vidIQ boost version. So in boost version we can cover all pro features, right? So when you use boost version, so it's like you will be covering all pro features, and also they will be helping you to increase your SEO score if you are using like a little bit of your brain, and also if you are filling all the details very effectively. And also you need to check go for this checklist, and you need to make all these like things blue. So it's like I just need to share it in my Facebook. Also on my Facebook I can make it also green, and whatever main parts were there I've already give it a green flag. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. And also by tomorrow I will be covering with my third guitar tutorial video. So stay tuned, take care, and bye.